One. Hey everyone! Give you a new intro, guys. And today in this video, we're gonna be showing you this lovely. What is this?
Tuna pasta bake.
Tuna pasta bake. So we've mostly done it already. So I just thought I'd video the end bit because the end bit's pretty cool. So
Looks yummy.
it does.
What's in it?
So there's pasta, tuna, sweet corn, and some vegetables.
Onions.
Yeah, there's onions as well.
Red pepper.
And yeah, so we're going to be showing you the final step, which is these. Go and find them. Look, it's ready salted. I love ready salted. So, guys, I'm going to prop you down. Right, oops, going the wrong way. I'm going to prop you down right about. Well, actually, let's just hold you guys.
You want me to do the crispy things?
Can you hold it?
Yes, I can.
Oh, it's this way. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the pasta bake final step. Salted. And now what you need to do is to pour it gently over.
Okay, sprinkle it nice and evenly. That's it, you got it. I think we might need another packet.
Should we get another packet?
Yeah. William's now looking in the fridge for some crisps.
Is on no,
Is that where we keep the crisps?
I don't know. I don't know where we keep the Christmas. Oh, here they are.
What to do? Crisps don't belong in the fridge.
Well, let me open these first. To see them getting smashed. You want to see them getting smashed first? Yeah. There's a pack of crisps.
Here's cookie.
There's a pack of crisps. Well, now there's the pack of crisps.
Get off, see.
Wait,
Can't see the burger.
wait, they're in there somewhere, guys.
Crisps are now half full. That bag is not full. Right, over the bits that haven't got crispy goodness. Over the bits that haven't got crispy
Wow.
goodness. Over by here, look. That's it. And over at the top, look. That bit hasn't got crispy goodness. That's it.
Wonder what this is going to taste like.
We got one other secret ingredient next.
What is this? Cheese. Cheese. Where is it? There it is.
Cheddar cheese.
Cheese. I'm going to have some cheese because I'm so hungry.
Come on, put that on the food. What eats all the ingredients, man?
Cheese.
Sprinkle it over nice and evenly.
Need a
That's
lot
it.
of cheese.
Do
So much cheese. You need cheese for perfection. Like about that much cheese.
Might even put a bit more on. You hold this now, grab some more cheese. I'm going to put this greasy pig in the oven.
Look at it, guys. This pasta bake is the best pasta bake ever. Yeah, and if you want to go check out our other channel, it's going to called All This Cheese In.
Nah,
So
just a
you-
bit extra. Oh, this is fresh cheese. This is so
Oh,
nice.
we need more cheese. I love cheese. Cheese also. Give me some cheese.
You want to try some cheese, Kat? I love cheese.
Want some cheese, guys? Here you go.
It's good for you. I'll just taste it. Now, the
I
last
think they are
bit.
really good.
The last bit.
There's on my empty fridge.
There's the last bit now. Is a little bit of
That stuff.
black pepper. That's your pasta bake, practically done now. Just need to slam it in, say 15 minutes. Get a grown up to do this.
Well, or if you are a grown up, then you don't need to ask another grown up to do that.
Unless it's heavy. It is quite heavy actually.
Check our other videos out
Give you a shout in 15 minutes.
on playing with the parks. We're gonna make another video on this in probably gonna be uploaded same time probably. So So there is our pasta bake. We'll do another video in 15 minutes, guys. And check out our Meg the Push-On video, Cookie's best friend. And yeah, Meg the Push-On is awesome. And there's some muffins.
Why do you want to see those?
There's some those stuff to finish off the video. There's some treats. How about a calendar? Boom. So that's the end of the video today, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed. And if you have, smash that like button. And if you enjoyed lots, then subscribe. See you later, guys. Bye. There's a phone to finish it off. Bye.